Ayan.
Ano po yung previous na transaction? CR?
Ayan, tingnan nyo naman siya. Para ako nagka-energy bigla.
Ano po yung tawag sa chicken na hindi mapakali? Ano? Makulit. At dahil dyan mag-CR tayo.
Bakit favorite mo yan, kaya?
Kasi ano siya, parang nakakawala ng antok.
Nakawala ng antok.
Chak. Umaga na and medyo busog na ako, so... What's up, guys? So, it's past midnight and I'm here with Miana because tonight we are gonna be testing out gas stations after midnight. If you guys can remember, when I was in the US, si Miana at si Seiya, nag-test out sila ng mga 24-hour restaurants and nag-food trip sila.
Busog kami, may mga tinay kami iba't ibang mga pagkain and even some that we've already tried before pero hindi pa ganung oras. So, it was a fun experience.
At dahil nainggit ako sa ginawa nila, tonight,
With Boy Abunda.
okay, gagawin natin yung similar na ginawa nila pero this time sa mga gas station na may mga convenience store or 24-hour restaurant or whatever and see for ourselves kung ano ba yung experience ng mga yon and kung ano yung best na puntahan after midnight. So, let's go!
Okay, so obviously, most gasoline stations are open 24/7 and usually there's like a convenience store right beside it or even a restaurant. And it's perfect for a midnight snack when you want to like go out, especially pag gusto mo anti lang tao. So now, we are on the way to some gasoline stations and let's see the vibes. Kuya is driving right now. Okay, so first gasoline station, we're at Uni Oil and I can see a bunch of stores open right in front of me. There's Potato Corner!
So currently it's
1:10 a.m.
1:10 a.m. and gagawin natin dito sa vlog nito is i-rate natin in terms of customer service, vibes,
You know the vibes.
and snacks / food.
I'm very excited because I haven't eaten in a couple of hours, so I'm very hungry. So it's perfect.
So we're not just gonna eat and get some snacks because there's a
Twist!
So ang twist ay meron kami mga mini challenges na gagawin per gas station and that's randomized through this
Spin the wheel.
spin the wheel. First gas station, simulan na natin.
I tap. So there's 6 challenges here, and the first one we're gonna do is order for others.
Order
What does
for
that
others.
mean?
Hindi lang kami order for sa amin, order rin kami para sa iba. Sa gas station na to, merong a couple of like options in terms of food. Siyempre, si Miana endorser nitong unang-una. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman siya.
Crave the fave!
Merong potato corner nagkataon. So wala silang convenience store dito, pero meron silang drive-thru ng potato corner and may milk tea pa.
Shout out Potato Corner family! Hi ate, pwede po mag-walk through? Pwede naman. Pwede. Perfect.
Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng potato corner
Me
na open
too,
sa gabi.
actually. Well, I've been here once, but actually first time ko makita na drive-thru na Potato Corner. I'm not sure if there's a bunch, but pretty cool. They also have not just fries, but milk tea.
So if you guys don't know me, I love fries. Favorite ko to. May dance Chris ka ba doon?
Yes.
Sige nga, go.
Hey!
Kasi iba-ibang flavors.
Regular, large, jumbo, mega, giga, dera.
Wow, kabisado. So, ano order mo for you?
Regular, ketchup. If you guys didn't know, new flavor ketchup. Go for it.
Since meron tayong challenge na order for others, bibili natin sila ng isang malaking potato corner.
Yes.
French fries.
Dera fries. Because we saw a group of people outside over there, so.
Alright guys, and we got our orders. Bali yung tera, sa amin natin ni Yana, tsaka nila Neil, tsaka ni JC. And then, umorder kami ng 3 mega para tig sa solo yung mga bibigyan natin ng fries.
Oh my god, this is so good. Ketchup flavor, I love.
JC ko Neil. Parang naamoy ko na yung ketchup. Ito ba yun? Saan dito yun? Ito yung ketchup?
Oo.
Parang sarap ng ketchup.
Diba? Uy, be, dahan-dahan lang.
Mahilig ka sa tomato, ayun.
Kaya, ketchup na kinuha.
Alright guys, so nakuha na namin order namin. So mag-walkthrough na tayo palabas.
Thank you po!
Thank you po! Alright, since nasa gasoline station tayo, ang pagbibigyan natin ng french fries is yung mga...
Gasoline station workers.
Yes. So tara.
Hello po!
Kuya,
Potato Corner po!
Pinila namin kayo, potato corner, oh.
Pang merienda lang.
Merienda lang.
Yeah!
Alright,
Yeah.
enjoy!
Cashier.
Wala, si cashier.
Sige po, go! Hi po! Merienda
Sir,
po!
French fries delivery.
French fries, working in the night shift. Thank you po!
Salamat! And yan, now what's your rate for it?
Customer service, 10 out of 10. Vibes, 20 out of 10. The food, 10 out of 10.
Sa akin naman, honest take. Customer service, mabait naman sila ate. So, I'm gonna give it 9. Ang vibes dito, okay siya for like nighttime, talagang after midnight. So, I'm gonna rate it a good 9 as well. Medyo may missing lang convenience store. Snacks, so this one, I'm gonna rate it a good 10. Kasi meron silang drinks and meron silang favorite food ko, which is fries. Okay, for our second gasoline station, we're here at Petron. Let's see kung ano yung challenge natin dito sa gas station. Yan na, go!
Okay. Spin it! For the second one, we are gonna do...
Budget! 500 pesos!
What does that mean?
So pagkakasyahin natin ang 500 pesos.
Kasyang-kasya na yan.
Let's go! Meron tayong 500 pesos dito na budget natin. So dito sa Petron na to, meron silang Goldilocks, Serenity, tsaka Dunkin. And sarado na yung iba, ang open na lang is Dunkin. So doon tayo, tara. So kung yung kanina walk-through, ito naman bike-through. Ayan. Kaso wala rin tayong bike, so mag-walk-through lang ulit tayo. Time check, it's ready 2:03 a.m. Order na tayo with our 500 pesos. Tara! Hello po, good morning po. Ano pong pwede ko mabili sa 500? Famous 12. Magkano po yun? 399. So since meron tayo 500 pesos, try natin bilhin lahat ng nandito, pero isa-isa lang. So kukuha tayo ng isa nito, isa nito, isa nito, isa niyan, ayan. Kung saan man aabot yung 500 pesos natin. Alright guys, so ang order natin, magkano po to lahat? So, pasok sa budget natin, 399, ayan. Meron tayong 2 box ng donut. So, umorder tayo ng 2 boxes of donuts, isang drink, icy chocolate. So, sa 500 budget natin, meron pa tayong sukli na 26 pesos. Ate, may mabibili pa sa 26? Munchkins eh. 2 munchkin. So, out of 500 budget, meron tayong piso. Ate, may mabibili sa piso pa? Sugar? 2 pesos sugar, di rin abot. Wala kayong piso. Ayan, may sukli. Ayan, sakto-sakto sugar. Alright, 500 pesos budget challenge. Check. Saktong-sakto. 2 pesos sugar, 75 pesos drink, 399 pesos donuts, and 24 pesos munchkin. We stayed here upstairs since meron silang spot. I'm just gonna try the food, experience it. Ice choco. Sobrang chocolate. So, tinry ko kunin lahat pero it's impossible sa budget natin. So, kung ano na lang kinaya. Neil, JC, kuha ka isa. Dali. Boston cream. Bagay na bagay. Balbasar o magkakulay. Oh. Ay. Tapos ako, ang gusto ko talaga dito, Bavarian. Ito yung vibes dito ngayon. Given na it's late at night, wala talaga masyadong tao. So for gas station number 2, I'm gonna rate the customer service a good 8. Kasi medyo napagod na si ate, pero gets naman na kanina pa siguro siya nag-work. Pero mabait naman si ate. Kinuha niya yung mga donut na sinabi ko. So rating them a good 8. Vibes dito, maganda rin. So I'm gonna rate it a good 8 rin. Pero medyo maliit lang yung gas station, hindi siya yung sobrang lawak. Yung snacks, I'm gonna rate it a good 8 rin. So 8, 8, 8 kasi matamis lahat. Alright guys, so time check. It's 3:09 a.m. And for our third gas station, we're here at... And the challenge that we are gonna do in this gas station will be... Joke time!
Joke time! Okay, basically for joke time, we have to make the staff laugh.
So it's gonna be hard, but we're gonna try.
Sino matatawa ng 3 a.m. na?
Let's go!
So dito po sa gas station na ito, meron po silang McDonald's. Tamang-tama mag-order rin tayo ng kape.
Endorser na naman si Nianeng. Alright, so bago tayo pumasok, mag-search na ako ng joke ko kasi lahat pagpasok natin naka-ready na tayo. Yan, na-ready ka na sa joke mo?
Oo. Okay, game. Kahit corny.
So medyo all set na kami sa joke, bahala na lang. Alright guys, so ito yung pinopromote ni Niana ngayon. Ayan, cereal milk. Paano yan, Niana? Chak, 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 chak. Meron po kayo nung pinopromote ni Niana.
Cereal milk meron po?
Yes, pa-available pa tayo.
One cereal milk latte.
Yung large.
Ice. Ano, regular lang.
Bago yung BTS, no?
Yes. It's a blind box.
Blind box. So, try ko yan.
Pwede po kami mag-joke.
Sure pa.
Go kuya, yung mauna.
Ano ikaw na una? Ikaw nagtanong eh.
Okay.
Ano?
Ano po yung tawag sa chicken na hindi mapakali?
Ano po?
Makulit.
Ay!
Natawa si ate! Natawa siya! Ikaw naman mag-joke. Challenge lang po
Ate,
kami.
anong ginawa sa McDo ng magkakaibigang matagal nang di nagkikita? Nag-ketchup. Nag-ketchup. Ketchup. Ganun. Nagets niyo po.
Galing. Yun lang po. Salamat po.
Okay. Natawa po ba kay ate?
Yes po.
Perfect. Mission
Tawa tayo.
accomplished. Morning.
Alright, blind box. Pili tayo. Si Jungkook ba to?
Feeling ko makakuha ko si J-Hope o si Jungkook. Kasi, ayan.
Oh, tingnan mo na.
Pero kung kahit ano,
Suga.
Suga,
Suga.
amazing.
Not bad.
Shout out Suga if you're watching. Thank you.
Thank you. For our 3 a.m. midnight snack, we got nuggets and their newly launched BTS meal with a blind box na nakuha ko si Suga.
One and only Suga.
There you go.
I had the crispy chicken sandwich and McCafe cereal milk latte.
Okay, let's eat.
Actually, ang tagal ko na din nag-dine in sa McDonald's. It's always usually just drive-thrus these past few years. Yeah, it feels nice. It's giving nostalgia. Because before, me and my dad and mom used to go breakfast here. Well, not here. In other McDonald's. McMuffin. Hash brown. Meme, di ba?
I'm kind of full now, and now it's time to rate.
Customer service, amazing. 10 out of 10. Ate earlier, I think tatlo lang yung tao nila now since it's already 3 a.m. But like, ate, yung kaninang ginoke time namin, masaya siya kausap. Her smile is contagious, so 10 out of 10. Vibes, it's the normal McDonald's vibes, so it's also giving nostalgia to me right now, so 10. Always a 10 for me. My go-to midnight snack forever.
For customer service, I'll give it a 10 kasi sobrang welcoming.
Period.
Tsaka kahit 3 a.m. na talagang may energy pa. Nakangiti pa rin. I'll give the vibes a good 9. Because it's a vibe. Classic McDonald's. Talagang, you know,
Pero
good for
10 dahil
midnight.
may McCafe.
Ikaw, 10.
10. 10, 10, 10.
Snacks and food. I'll give it a good 9.
Okay, at since nasa gas station naman na tayo, magpagas tayo!
Alright!
Okay, busog na busog kami. Dapat mabusog din yung kotse.
Ayan guys, nagpapagasto tayo. It's almost 4 a.m. in the morning and we're still up para sa vlog. Ayan, okay na. Nakakain na yung kotse. Fourth gas station, nandito na tayo sa Caltex. Ang challenge natin ay
Tignan natin!
Employee's Choice.
I'm assuming that means they will decide what we will order.
Yeah, so basically, we're gonna be asking the employee kung anong favorite niyang snack, kung anong favorite niya inumin, and then yun yung bibili natin.
Okay, so in this gas station, there's a 7-Eleven convenience store. So we're going there.
Let's go. Hello po kuya, pwedeng mag-vlog?
Oo, okay na po.
Ano lang kasi, bibili kami yung midnight snack namin. Ang challenge namin, employee's choice.
Kayo po mag-decide. So parang tatanong ka namin kung anong favorite snack mo dito or drink. Tapos yun yung bibili namin.
Anong favorite snack niyo?
Ay, Expo
nuts.
Peanut.
Bakit favorite mo yan kaya?
Kasi ano siya, parang nakakawala ng antok.
Wala na ito.
Drinks. Pocari Sweat?
Go. Perfect.
Alright.
Hydration.
Ano
Anong
pa?
pangalan niyo, kuya?
Joseph.
Joseph.
Joseph, thank
Kuya
you. Yung manghang to?
Medyo ba?
Mahilig ka sa manghang? Ano pa? Yun lang ba? Ito lang talaga yung classic go-to snacks tsaka drink. Si kuya naman isa. Anong favorite snack niyo kuya?
Bumibili kami ng midnight snack namin pero dapat choice niyo.
Yan?
Tortillas.
Tortillas.
Go.
Sige, kuha tayo niyan. Ano pa? Drink. Anong favorite drink mo? Coke?
Coke.
Coke o Coke Zero? Coke regular po.
Regular.
Regular.
Perfect.
Kuya, sa mga food na gano'n, wala kayong favorite? Siopaw.
Opa.
Siopaw. Saan dito kuya yung favorite mo? Bola-bola, ayun. Sige, kuha tayo isa niyan. Thank you kuya. Alright guys, so nakabili na tayo ng mga dapat bilhin sa convenience store. Tingnan natin. Try natin doon sa likod ng kotse. Parang out of all the gasoline stations, ito yung parang sobrang kaangas na style na gasoline. Tingnan mo. Malinis, clean. Yung isang employee, ang sinabi niya, Pocari Sweat, tsaka itong nuts.
Ito po yung starter pack ni Kuya Joseph. Employee from 7-Eleven. This is his starter pack. Chips and soda.
Sabi ni Kuya Joseph pahabol, meron siyang bola-bola na siopaw dito.
Yeah!
So ngayon, try natin.
I have tried these before, but it's been a while. Mom used to always get me this during her nurse days. If you didn't know, Mom was a nurse, yeah. But she used to always get these chips when she came home from work.
Nagulat ako sa sinabi niya to kasi ngayon ko lang nakita to.
Me too, actually. And apparently, favorite niya yan kasi nakawala
Nakakagising.
daw ng antok. Especially sila, night shift sila. Graveyard shift.
Not bad.
Wow.
Oo, may after anghang. Parang aftertaste na maanghang. Next, Pocari Sweat. Bakit kaya ito?
Naka-hydrate kasi yan. Maganda yan. Ano tawag dito? Electrolytes.
Electrolytes, good for hydration.
Pag may sakit ako, yan ang iniinom ko.
Para ako nagka-energy bigla. Okay, last. Yung bola-bola na siopaw. Busog na kami, pero tatry lang namin.
Wala oh. Tignan mo. Kamukha mo.
Masarap. Sarap na recommendation ni Kuya. So first thing, customer service. Bait sila Kuya, entertaining, and in-entertain nila kami. I'm gonna give them a good 10. Then vibes. Maganda yung mga ilaw dito sa gasoline station. So I'm gonna give it a good 9. Snacks and food. Ito naman for midnight snack talaga siya kasi it's like a convenience store.
Yeah.
So pipili ka ng gusto mo. Pero sila Kuya yung pumili sa amin. I'm gonna rate it a good 8.
Customer service, absolutely a 10. I don't know where they get that energy from. It's 4 a.m. Vibes is a 10 as well. I love it. And then food and snacks, 10 as well. It's giving snacks.
Siguro kung may Slurpee dito, bibigyan ko ng 10 kaso wala.
Kung may Slurpee, bibigyan ko ng 20. Kaso parang matagal na akong hindi nakakita ng Slurpee 7-Eleven dito So, matagal na wala na.
Alright, anyway.
Ibalik nyo! Comment down below kung gusto mo ibalik nyo.
Alright, anyway, that's it. Let's go to the next gas station. Time check! It's 4:53 a.m. So it's almost 5 a.m. And then, since magpa-5 na, we are now here sa 5th gas station natin, which is Total. Alright guys, so ito na yung last na gas station natin. Let's see kung anong challenge ang makukuha natin. Alright, let's spin the wheel! Alright guys, so ang challenge natin ay trust them. So, meaning ng trust them is o-order namin yung recent order nung nasa harap namin. Or kung walang nasa harap, since sobrang late na walang tao, yung previous transaction, recent transaction. So, si Niana pupunta sa convenience store, ako pupunta sa pizza store. So, see you later.
Okay, let's see what's the last transaction. May tanong po ako ate kasi may challenge po kami na it's called Trust Them. Parang yung bibilin ko dapat yung previous yung transaction. Ano po yung previous na transaction?
CR, ma'am eh.
CR? At dahil dyan mag-CR tayo. Magkano po yun?
10 pesos.
Mahusay. Sige, may 10 pesos ka dyan. Busog na talaga kasi ako. So sabi ni Lord, CR ka na. Bago po yung CR, ano po yung huling binili?
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew? Sige, bibiling ko yun. Sure to. 55 pesos, you guys. So, CR and Mountain Dew. At dahil dyan, CR tayo, BRB.
Okay guys, so dito sa Total, merong yellow cab, 24 hours. So, let's go inside. Pizza time sa umaga. Morning. Grabe, hindi ko akalain sobrang aga magpipizza tayo. Kasi yung o-ordering ko, yung in-order na last nung umorder.
Bali, 4 cheese po na 9 inches. Basically, yung set meat po namin.
So yung last na umorder, yung order niya, ano po yung order niya?
Set is so bali, 4 cheese meat yung and then garlic parmesan strips, 1 more cow. And then yung soda po nila is Pepsi Mountain Dew.
Okay. Mga ano oras yun in-order?
Siguro mga
3 a.m. So kanina pa. Mga 2 hours ago. Alright guys, so 15 minutes. Hintayin natin yung order. Pumuna tayo. Okay guys, so dito, meron tayong outdoor dining. Ayan, pwede tayo umupo dito. Kita natin yung view ng highway. So, chill lang. Para talaga siyang pang stopover yung dating. 15 minutes later, 4 cheese. Garlic chan. Salamat po ate. Okay guys, so meron tayong 3 drinks. Pizza na medyo maliit. Feeling ko ang dami nilang in-order na pasta yung last na nag-order. Tabas natin. Ito yung pasta, set B. Yan. Laki nito. So guys, umaga na and medyo busog na ako. So what I will be probably doing is I'm gonna be taking this out sa bahay and then titikim lang ako ngayon. So ito yung 4 cheese pizza nila. Sakto kasi ito na lang daw yung natira. So favorite to ni mama, nila Natalia. So iuwi na lang natin to sa kanila pero I'll get one. Grabe cheesy. Sipin mo guys, sa gas station ka and pwede ka makakuha ng cheesy na pizza. Sarap talaga yung pizza pag bagong luto. Tapos yung drinks na in-order nila Mountain Dew rin. Sarap. Customer service, I'm gonna give it a good 9 kasi mabait si ate. Nasabi niya kaagad yung order nung past transaction which what I asked for. And then the vibes here are great too. Merong convenience store and then merong mga store na ganito like pizza store dito sa gasoline station na to. And then syempre masarap pa yung pagkain kasi kita nyo naman kung gaano ka cheesy yung pizza. And then bagong luto lahat, malamig yung drinks. So for the vibes, I'm gonna give it a good 8.5. And then for the food, I'm gonna give it a good 10 kasi masarap. So ayun. Alright, good morning guys!
Literally, good morning, bruh. I mean, sun's about to go up in a bit and we're done! Time check, by the way, to be exact, it is 5:28 a.m. That's right, so in a bit.
Magsi 6 na. Keep in mind na yung mga gas stations na pinuntahan namin, hindi sila lahat pare-parehas. Like, for example, like yung Shell, meron laging McDo. Petron, meron laging ganito, ganyan. So, it all differs per location. So,
You know, maganda siyang puntahan pag gusto mo nga ng midnight snack or anything since most of these are 24 hours. And yeah, it was a nice experience. It was nice to see, you know, the staff still being nice, even though it's like 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 3 a.m. I don't know where they get that energy, so shout out to all of you guys. Respect. Out of all the 5 gas stations that we've been to, my favorite was the Uni Oil because there's potato corner and it was really good and fun.
my favorite was McDo. Kasi, sarap ng food. Tsaka, medyo malayo-layo yung nilakbay namin. So, hindi lang kami nagstay sa QC. Umikot kami papunta Ortigas, Makati, ganyan.
Parang nag-tour na kami sa Metro Manila. So,
Kaya
guys,
inabot
parang-
kami ng umaga.
Parang nag-road trip na tayo.
Good. So guys, comment down below kung ano pa yung mga things na gusto nyo kami makitang gawin after midnight.
To those who will try it, you know, travel past midnight or basta sa gabi or anytime, always be careful and stay safe.
So that's it guys for the vlog today. Good morning, good night,
Let's sleep, please!
peace out.